Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting a new series called The Most Common Questions That We Get Asked About Mini Splits. We have customers across all 50 states of the US, as well as customers in the Caribbean and Canada, and we get all sorts of questions about mini splits. But we've narrowed down the most common ones, the most popular ones that people have asked us, and we wanted to break down the answers so that it's insightful and helpful for you watching at home. So in no particular order in terms of popularity, we wanted to start with the first question, which is, do I need to install as many zones as a multi-zone mini split system is capable of, or can I do less? Now let's simplify that question. Maybe you're looking at a 24,000 BTU 3-zone system, and you're saying, do I have to install all 3 zones at once in order for it to work? And the simple answer is no, you do not need to install 3 zones on a 3-zone system, or if it's a 4-zone system, 4 zones, you get the point. You can install less than that, however there are limitations. You can't install just one mini split at a time. Let's just say at first installation you just have one room, but you know you're going to add one later. You can't just install one indoor unit at the beginning and then add one later. You have to at minimum install 2 indoor units to a multi-zone, no matter the size of multi-zone. So just to use the same example, 24,000 BTUs, 3-zone system, let's just say you have 2 bedrooms or 2 rooms in a house and you want to condition them, and each room requires 12,000 BTUs. Then you install 2 zones, 2 12,000 BTU indoors on that 3-zone 24,000 BTU system. The real limitation here is capacity. In capacity, what we mean by that is BTU capacity, which means, like I just mentioned, you have 2 12,000 BTU indoors. You add them up and that goes to 24,000 BTUs. So your limitation really is the BTU capacity rather than the zone allowance. Now you can add a 3rd zone later on. So let's just say you have 2 12,000 BTUs systems indoor and you have one 24,000 3-zone system outdoor. You can add a 3rd, let's just say 6,000 BTU unit later, because that would be the most that you can absolutely add onto a 24,000 BTUs. The same thing is covered when it comes to overage. So let's just say you have 3 zones on a 3-zone system, and this 3-zone system is sized at 24,000, and you're saying, okay, 9,000 BTUs, that's 27,000 BTUs. Can I go over? The answer is yes, you can go over. However, if you think that you're going to be adding on later, you might as well just bump up to the next size up, whether that's 30,000 or 36,000 BTU multi-zone system, depending on the brand. You probably should go up. And so at that point, if you go up to let's just say a 36,000 BTU multi-zone system, most 36,000 BTU systems are going to be 4 to 5 zones. And then you run into the same question, can I just install 3-zone on a 4 or 5-zone system? And as you know, the answer is yes. So hopefully that clears up some questions about whether or not you absolutely need to stick with the same zone allowance that the manufacturer has, and it allows you some freedom to be able to design the mini split that makes sense for you. Now, if you have any questions about that and whether or not you can or cannot do certain configurations, we'd love to be able to hear from you. Reach out to us or comment below on the video. We will reach out and be able to answer any questions that you might have. And stick around for the next couple of videos that answer some of the other most common questions that we get asked about mini splits.